The Japanese government had an evacuation area, I believe, of 12 miles. The United States government recommended 50.
Yeah, I don't have too much to say about the health effects. I think that the U.S. recommendation has turned out to be more prudent from the subsequent measurements of radiation, but it's also a protective measure. As I said, this is an ongoing story. We're in the middle of it. Hope in the best case we've seen the worst, but the worst case is that we haven't. But Japan also has another problem. This separates it from both the U.S. In most cases, and certainly Chernobyl. Chernobyl was a far worse accident, and I don't think this one could ever escalate into that scale. But it was in a rather large country, Ukraine, and rather sparsely populated. Japan is densely populated. This is only 140 miles from Tokyo, which is extremely densely populated. This province is actually one of the lower population density parts of the country. That's one of the reasons that the reactors are there. However, they've got several disasters to deal with, and they have to consider the whole scope of their problems, not just the nuclear disaster or what they're doing with all of these people that have been dislodged from their homes. So there are probably different factors that are weighing into that.
Well, certainly we'll probably have more conversation with you as this is an ongoing problem. But we thank you for the explanation, and we thank you for your expertise. This is Al Wiman for the St. Louis Science Center.